Building wealth requires a clear plan, discipline, and long-term thinking. If you're ready to achieve financial success, here's a step-by-step strategy to help you get there. First, set clear financial goals for yourself. In the short term, 1 to 5 years, focus on paying off any debt you have, creating an emergency fund, and building up initial savings. In the midterm, 5 to 10 years, start investing in assets, increasing your income streams, and growing your savings. And in the long term, 10 plus years, aim to achieve financial independence, invest in retirement, and establish generational wealth. Next, create and stick to a budget. Track your income and expenses using budgeting tools like Excel or apps. This will help you understand your cash flow and identify areas where you can cut unnecessary spending. Reduce or eliminate non-essential expenses, such as subscriptions or dining out frequently, and aim to save at least 20-30% of your monthly income consistently. Building an emergency fund is crucial for financial security. Set aside 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a liquid savings account. This will provide a safety net and prevent the need to take on debt in emergencies. Debt can hold you back from wealth building, so it's important to pay it off strategically. Prioritize high-interest debt using the snowball or avalanche method to pay off loans like credit cards, and be mindful of new debt. Limiting borrowing to necessary investments like a home or education. Increasing your income streams is key to building wealth. Invest in your career growth by acquiring new skills, getting education, or certifications to boost your earning potential. Consider side hustles like freelancing, starting a small business, or exploring passive income options like blogging or online courses. You may even want to invest in real estate through rental properties or flipping homes for profit. When it comes to investing, do so wisely. Consider investing in diversified portfolios such as stocks, ETFs, or index funds for long-term growth. Take advantage of compound interest by reinvesting dividends. Investing in real estate through buying and holding properties for rental income and long-term appreciation is also a great option. Additionally, invest in or start a business that has the potential for scalable growth. To ensure you're on the right track, practice smart saving and investing habits. Automate savings by setting up automatic transfers to investment accounts, retirement funds, and savings. Use dollar-cost averaging to reduce risk by consistently investing a fixed amount regardless of market conditions. It's important to minimize taxes and expenses. Make use of tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs to maximize contributions and save on taxes. Consider consulting a financial advisor to help optimize wealth growth and minimize expenses. Protecting your wealth is crucial. Ensure you have insurance coverage for your health, home, life, and business to protect your assets. Set up estate planning by creating a will and setting up trusts to preserve wealth for future generations. Continuously educate yourself about finance. Read books, attend seminars, or follow financial news to stay informed about investment trends and opportunities. Surround yourself with like-minded, financially savvy individuals to share tips and opportunities. By following this strategy with discipline, patience, and a growth mindset, you'll be on the path to building and preserving wealth. Remember, building wealth is a long-term endeavor, but with the right plan and mindset, financial success is within your reach.